I'm here with Discount Mechanical Heating and Plumbing Service to bring you some safety tips. Today we're going to discuss carbon monoxide and the things you should know. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas, and while small amounts can occur naturally, it is important to reduce exposure. Carbon monoxide can accumulate in your home from fossil fuel-powered appliances and equipment, including stoves, water heaters, furnaces, and boilers. These home appliances are connected to a vent stack or series of vents that safely divert the fumes outside your home, where they're absorbed or dissipate into the atmosphere. When these vents become obstructed or cracked, they allow the gas to escape and potentially accumulate in your home, attic, or crawl space. Common sources of carbon monoxide exposure from HVAC systems include cracked furnace heat exchanger, blocked chimney, and improper ventilation. The best things you can do to prevent your family from carbon monoxide exposure is to install carbon monoxide detectors throughout your home. Get your HVAC system tuned up regularly, which includes annual checks of your entire system and tune-ups to ensure your system is running safely. Have your ductwork inspected. Want to prevent carbon monoxide in your HVAC system? Call Discount Mechanical Heating and Plumbing Services or visit our website to schedule an appointment. Our HVAC techs will explain the best ways to keep your home safe and your HVAC system free of carbon monoxide.